What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we're going to be working up with this header right here. Okay, we want to choose a header color scheme so that we just stick to it. This is the main and the most important thing of creating a website. Okay, you must have seen other developers and designers, those who are teacher. Okay, they just teach you that how can you develop a website, but they do not teach you the main basics of the website, that how your website is gonna look afterward. So you have to focus on one thing. Okay, use 3 fonts, not more than that, in a website. Use 5 colors or 4 colors, or if you just listen to me, then go with 3 colors. Do not go with more than that. Okay, you can go with the 4 colors if you want to, it doesn't matter. So what you have to do, you have to just go to the theme customizer, and then here you can see that we have the settings right here, and here we have to go to the header and navigation, and then we have to go to the header format. So here we can control the header format, that how we want the header format. So we can change it to be centered, we can change it to be centered in inline logo, we can change it to be slide in. So if we just click here, you can see it's gonna slide this in, and we can change it to be full screen. So if I just click here, you can see it is now in the full screen mode. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go back. I basically want to make it the default one. So I'm gonna go back, and then I want to go to the primary menu bar. I'm just gonna come here, and here we can see that I can make it full width. I can hide the logo, I can change the menu height, the logo max height, the text size, and the letter spacing that we want. So then we have the font. I have chosen the font to be Open Sans, and then I have the background color. So I want to change the background color to be black. Okay, a bit of black, not the full black. And I want the text color to be this one. Okay, this looks cool. This looks amazing. Okay, I want to make it full. Cool. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to come here to the active link color, and I want it to be, let's come here and let's just change it. So we need to make some changes so that it is not the fully, okay, I think, okay, no. I want to just change it like this. Let's just change the text color to be a bit more different. Okay, now it makes a bit of difference, and it is looking cool. Okay, so then we have the background color, the drop down, and everything looks cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit publish right now, and now we're going to work with our Divi builder. So I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna hit cross right now, and you can see this is how our this thing is looking. Make sure that you choose your logo to be this color only. Okay, your logo should be having this color. So I'm just gonna go to the enable the visual builder, or I can just go to the dashboard right here, and then I can go to the pages, all pages, and then I have to go to the home page, and then here I have to just come here and I have to choose use visual builder. So I'm just gonna click here, and it's gonna take me to the new page where there will be the visual builder, and I can edit everything. So let's wait until this is loaded, and here we go. This is how the Divi builder is looking. Okay, first of all, what we have to do is that we need to add something here. So I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit add new row. Okay, and here I can add anything. So I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna grab this one because I need the full width. Okay, so here we can add anything that can be full width. So let's see how much options we have right here. So we have so many options that we can choose: post title, pricing table, post navigation, post slider, shop, slider, and tabs, testimonial, toggle, video sidebar. So I'm just gonna be moving on with the slider right here, and you can see slider is here, but I don't think so if we need to add a slider in a column. We want to make it the full width. So how we're gonna add it, let's just come here, let's just delete it, and let's click add a new section from this guy right here, the blue button. Okay, and here I want the full width. So in the full width, we have full width code, full width header, full width image, full width map, full width menu, full width portfolio, full width post slider, full width post title, and then we have the full width slider. So you can add a slider that will be like moving slider where there would be images coming right here, and that would be great. So I'm just going to be adding a slider right here. and you can see a slider has been added. And now here I have to focus on, here is three options I have. I have the content, I have the design, and then I have the advanced tab. So in the content, I can add the sliders with this plus icon. I can move with the elements, like I can show arrows, show controls, and then I have the background. So if I want to add any background, and then I have the admin label. And in the design, I can move on with the layout, with the text, with the title text. So here we would be having the title text. We would be having the body text, the burden, and then we have the sizing. Okay, we have the spacing, that how much spacing we want, the custom margin and the padding, and then we have the border. Okay, we have the box shadow, that if you want to give any shadow, and then we have the filters right here. And so you can also go with the blend mode. Okay, and then we have the animation, that how we want anything to appear. And then we have the advanced tab. Here we have the CSS ID, that I showed you that what is the CSS ID if you want to call anything with the button. So you can add a CSS ID. We have custom CSS. If you know the CSS, you can do with the custom CSS. Then we have the attributes, and we have the visibility. Show the content on mobile, and show image video on mobile, disable on phone, tablet, and everything. So you guys already know about this visibility. This is used for mobile optimization. Okay, so in the next video we will be working up with this whole slider. Okay, so thanks a lot guys for watching this, and goodbye.